Okay, this is a short tutorial on how to bias up your ST70. So you need one of these, digital voltmeter. You want to set it to the volt one that's not the squiggly line, that's DC voltage. Okay? With the negative terminal, or with the negative lead, you can do a couple of things with it. You can just go something like that and ground it to the chassis, or you can use this terminal down here. That's also a ground. So, this one here that has the mark next to it, you put your positive lead in there, and then you adjust the bias pot here in the front until you see 0.4 volts, which would be 40 milliamps, or 0.5 volts, which is 50 milliamps. To check the other tube, you go diagonally from this one that's marked, and that's this back tube, and you adjust it to 40 or 50 milliamps, whichever you want to try to target. Now, as you adjust this pot or change the milliamp here, it's going to have an effect on the other tubes in the amp. And so you have to kind of do a round robin thing where, you start on this one, then go to this one, then you go over to the other side, and we do the same thing. That is our ground, and that's the rear tube, which is then this pot, and then you go up to this one here, and that's the front pot. And again, you can ground this anywhere you want. If you want to, put that in there and just hold this up against the chassis or hold it up against a screw, that works too. You just need to have a good ground. And again, you just kind of go around these pots, and then, once you've adjusted like this channel, then you go back and check this one again. Check that one, and then adjust. And then once you get them all sitting at the same thing, let the amp run for about an hour or two, and just go back and check it, because over time it might drift a little bit. But once you have run the amp a couple hours and get the bias stabilized, you really shouldn't have to mess with it for a while. It's probably a good idea to check it about once a month. And that's biasing up an ST70.